Today we talk about how can you enable this sign on how you can do that on your Lifesum app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on customize here, click on it. So then you come to next step here, then you click here on weight tracker here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to update weight in theory. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. In here can you select this here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.